Forget stocks, forget cryptocurrencies. Let's now pump up silver. What is going on, guys? If you're new to this channel, make sure you stick around and make sure you subscribe because we're going to be talking about a lot of different topics today. So far, we've already covered cryptocurrency, we're going to cover silver now, and we're going to be covering stocks later on today after the market closes. But I do want to say, right now, people are trying to make silver be the next crazy short squeeze, and they want to send it to $1,000, which is absolutely nuts. If you guys don't know, pretty much you can buy commodities, right? So commodities are usually long-term investments, and they are usually used to protect yourself from inflation. Now, me personally, I haven't actually invested in any commodities long-term, but I do know that a lot of wealthy people like to put their money into gold, silver, oil, and there's even like coffee. Like you can literally even buy like coffee beans as a commodity. There's a bunch of crazy stuff out there, okay? But silver and gold, that's usually the go-tos. And the problem now that we are facing is people are kind of concerned if whether they should buy physical gold or paper gold. And if you do want to buy paper gold or gold as a stock, you would be buying this company called iShares Silver Trust. So the ticker symbol is SLV, and this is pretty much what is causing people to be able to buy paper silver. So again, it's very interesting to note that, again, you can buy actual physical silver and actual gold. Like you can buy gold bullion, or I think it's pronounced, or like actual coins, or you can buy like paper silver. So this is pretty much traded on the stock market, and you can literally buy silver. So iShares Silver Trust, ticker symbol SLV, is currently trading at $26.92 at the time I'm making this video, which is around 1 p.m. on Monday. One thing to note is 5 days ago, it was literally trading at $23, and you guys gotta understand, silver and commodities, they're not really volatile. I know gold has been volatile in the past year, but that's mainly due to the pandemic and what's been going on with the stock market and all that stuff. Silver doesn't really follow, it's not really like currency wasn't once backed by gold. Currency used to be backed by gold, if you don't know. And we're seeing, record-breaking prices with silver right now. So it actually hit its 8-year high, which was actually, I believe, $30. So it hit $30.35 recently. And again, that is a record high in the past 8 years. And again, silver isn't, there's never been a lot of hype around silver. But the thing is, people have been shorting silver, and silver is something that could potentially see a short squeeze. Now, people are kind of speculating that this is just distraction created by the hedge fund managers so they can actually get rid of people buying GameStop and other stocks. Me personally, I am kind of confused because, like I said, I'll be honest, full disclosure, I'm not the best when it comes to commodities, and I'm not the best when it comes to silver especially. When trading Forex, because that's something I do, I have traded gold in the past, but again, never silver. So I don't really know how silver moves when it comes to, at a very micro level. At a macro level, I do understand, yeah, it's a commodity. It's something that can protect you against inflation. If you guys don't already know Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, he always talks about how he buys gold and silver. And again, it's just a commodity that people like to buy long term, but it looks like it could potentially see some crazy volatility in the next coming days. I do also want to say the price point of, again, $30 is per ounce. So it's not like, a share of a stock, it's actually per ounce. Another thing I do want to say is I feel like this is something that is much bigger than just the stock market. I feel like this kind of falls in the same category as like cryptocurrencies, in the sense that people need to understand, like, silver is something that is owned by like billions of dollars of silver is owned by banks, by crazy like higher up people, like people that me and you don't even know. So we also need to understand that, okay, yes, there is a potential, and yes, the internet is very powerful, but we're talking about silver. I'm just going to quickly read a quote. Around $6 billion worth of silver traded hands in the silver market in November, and London's vaults hold around 33,000 tons of silver valued at $23 billion. Now, that's a pretty big number, okay? And we need to understand that, okay, it's not the same as, the stock market. It's not the same as just a company, okay? GameStop has absolutely nothing on silver, which is a worldwide commodity. We need to understand GameStop is a stock that is traded on the New York Stock Exchange. To genuinely make silver short squeeze, I would say it's going to be very hard to do. Is it possible? Yes, but again, I don't think it's going to be possible with everyone, kind of being confused and scrambling around. Like there was an XRP pump, there was now a potential silver short squeeze, there is a GameStop, AMC, Nokia, BlackBerry, Naked Stock. There's so many different things out there. I feel like a lot of people are going to get kind of confused and not know what exactly to go to. Also, I do want to say, guys, thank you so much for the support. I'm trying to get 5,000 subscribers, so if you can help me get there, that'd be amazing. Down below, if you're new around here, consider subscribing. Again, guys, with that being said, I know I always say with that being said, but with that being said, I do want to say, me personally, I'm not going to be buying silver. I was kind of interested into maybe buying some shares of SLV, the iShares Silver Trust, but again, I don't know. I don't think I'm going to be doing it just because I don't see silver being short squeezed to anything crazy. I feel like if I do want to gamble my money, I'd rather just put it into GameStop or AMC or XRP. I'm not going to be putting it into silver because I feel like this is, out of the few, I feel like this is the least likely to happen. With that being said, silver is a decent long-term investment. For me, it's like, hey, maybe in the future if I want to, buy something long-term, maybe I'll buy some coins, like some physical silver or physical gold. I think that is something that I'm actually going to be interested into doing. That pretty much wraps it up for this video, guys. If you did enjoy, make sure you leave a like, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. And until next time, remember, stay seeking success.